गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. We had just begun Sadachar, and last week we were seeing the first verse. Repeat after me. Satchidananda Kandaya Jagadankur Hetave Sadoditaya Purnaya Namo Nantaya Vishnave. So we were on Jagadang. We saw Sat Chit Anand, the meaning, and then we saw the meaning of Purna Kanda. Kanda means the unity between between the Jivatma and the Paramatma, the individual and the Brahman. And then the Purna is the infinite. That also I think we saw last time. Purnatva. And Purnatva means in which there is nothing lacking, which is complete. Nothing can be added to make it complete, and nothing can be subtracted to make it complete. It's always remaining the same. And just like the total space is always Purna, the total space. Because there is air, fire, water, earth arising within this space, because there are so many rooms or houses created, the space does not become less or more. It's always remaining the same. That's how our individual, the self, that also is always complete. Then comes the word Sadodita. Sadodita means that that Sad Udita. Sat means existence or the truth. Udita means arising. It's self-arising. It does not need anything else to illuminate it. It's self-existing. It does not require, like, for this camera to exist, some people have, in a factory is the place where people have been working and therefore it came into existence. But this self, it is not, you don't require anything or person in order for the self to be appearing. This body requires, it requires parents. It's not self-udita, sadudita. But the self is. Self is what? Self is self-existing. It does not require anything else. And everything else that you think yourself to be is only an idea which is superimposed on this sadudita, meaning the self-existing, self-appearing reality that you essentially are. On that, everything else, what? You, that you are this body, that you are this mind, that you are this whatever idea that you have about yourself, all this is a superimposition on that reality, that sadudita. Thus, up to this point, the teacher has indicated the self by Swarupa Lakshana, or by direct indication. So all these words, Sat, Chit, Anand, Kandaha, Purna or Purnatva and Sadodita, these are Swarupa Lakshana. Swarup means what? The essence. Swarup is the essence. So directly it was indicated. Just like the Upanishads also, they directly indicate. Now indirect indication will be there, and then for that the other words in the verse, Jagad Ankura Hetave, here the Brahman is indicated indirectly. And what is it? It is this Jagad Ankura Hetave. It is the cause because of which the whole world appears. Without it, the world cannot appear as it appears today or now. How does it appear? Just like you are the cause of your complete dream world, and it appears within you, isn't it? And then it goes away. Just like a mirage appears. When the conditions are right, a mirage appears. Is the mirage there, really speaking? No, but your eyes are seeing it. But really, it is not there. Similarly, this whole world, this Jagat, what is Jagat? Nama Roop, meaning name and form. This whole world, in essence, is only the reality. So what does it mean? Is this world an illusion? The world which you call as the world is an illusion. In reality, the world, the phenomena is going on. So here when and for this, because phenomena is going on, to accept that phenomena to be reality is not correct, isn't it? Because mirage is going on, to accept mirage and then go run after it to drink waters, is that correct? This is what we are doing, running after the world to quench our thirst. And what is that thirst? The thirst to be complete, the thirst to be happy, the thirst to be fulfilled and contented. We are continuously running after this mirage called the world. But this world, this mirage cannot appear without the substratum. So that is the, understand that. It becomes clear therefore that Brahman is not only the cause of the phenomenal world and its creation, but also of its maintenance and dissolution, meaning this self, this Sad Udita, this Satchidananda Purna Kandaha Sad Udita, and that you are, in essence, that is the cause because of which creation, maintenance and destruction of the creation. Which creation? The creation which you call creation as an individual, that creation. It overlooks that. Shankaracharya Bhagavad-pada states in the Viveka Chudamani, Bijam Sansruti Bhumijasya Tutamo Dehatma Dhirang Kuro. I have to change the tune. Bijam Sansruti Bhumijasya Tutamo Dehatma Dhirang Kuro. Raga Palvambu Karmatu Apuhu Skandho Sava Shakhikaha Agranindriya Sanhitascha Vishayaha Pushpani Dukkham Phalam Nana Karma Samudbhavam Bahuvidham Bhoktatra Jiva Khagaha.